Have you ever wondered what investments today could transform your life in 20 years? Imagine if you had invested in Amazon 2 decades ago. $10,000 then would be worth $1.28 million now. In this video, we'll reveal 15 crucial investments you should make today to secure a brighter future. You might be shocked to learn that some of these investments aren't financial at all, but could have an even greater impact on your life. Don't miss out on these game-changing insights. Subscribe now to ensure you're always ahead of the curve. 1. The Debt Destroyer. Prioritize becoming debt-free. Eliminating debt is one of the most powerful investments you can make in your future. Debt acts as a constant drain on your finances and freedom, often costing you far more than you realize. For example, a $300,000 mortgage can end up costing nearly double by the time it's paid off. By aggressively paying off debt now, you'll free up more resources for future investments and enjoy greater peace of mind. 2. The Location Goldmine. Invest in property near economic centers. Real estate in prime locations remains a solid long-term investment. Focus on areas near city centers, business districts, or major universities. For instance, owning an apartment near a popular university can provide steady rental income for decades. Remember, while property values may fluctuate, demand for well-located real estate tends to remain strong over time. 3. The Earth's Bounty. Buy land for generational wealth. Investing in land can be a powerful way to build generational wealth. Unlike many other assets, land is finite and tends to appreciate over time. For example, purchasing rural land today could become valuable residential property in the future as cities expand. Additionally, agricultural land can provide ongoing income through farming or leasing to farmers. 4. The Market Ride. Consistently invest in index funds. Investing regularly in broad market index funds, such as those tracking the S&P 500, can be a simple yet effective way to build wealth over time. This strategy allows you to benefit from the overall growth of the economy without needing to pick individual stocks. For instance, investing $500 monthly in an S&P 500 index fund over 20 years could potentially grow to over $300,000, assuming historical average returns. 5. The Artistic Edge. Consider fine art as an alternative investment. Fine art can be a unique and potentially lucrative investment option. As the number of ultra-wealthy individuals grows globally, demand for blue-chip art tends to increase. Platforms like Masterworks now allow everyday investors to own shares in valuable artworks, democratizing access to this exclusive market. 6. The World Explorer. Invest in travel experiences. Investing in travel can broaden your perspectives and enrich your life in ways that extend far beyond financial returns. For example, a trip to a different country can expose you to new cultures, languages, and ways of thinking, potentially inspiring new business ideas or personal growth. The memories and experiences gained from travel often become priceless over time. 7. The Health Hedge. Prioritize your physical well-being. Investing in your health today can save you significant money and improve your quality of life in the future. This could involve regular exercise, a balanced diet, and preventative health care. For instance, maintaining a healthy weight and lifestyle could help prevent costly chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease later in life. 8. The Love Fund. Nurture your relationship with your partner. Investing time and effort in your romantic relationship can yield long-term happiness and stability. This might involve regular date nights, couples therapy, or shared hobbies. For example, couples who prioritize their relationship often report higher life satisfaction and may even experience health benefits, such as lower stress levels. 9. The Friendship Portfolio. Cultivate and maintain strong friendships. Investing in friendships can provide emotional support and enrich your life experiences. This could involve regular check-ins, offering help during tough times, or organizing group activities. Strong friendships have been linked to better mental health, longer life expectancy, and even career success through networking opportunities. 10. The Knowledge Compound. Invest in your financial education. Continuously educating yourself about personal finance and investing can lead to better financial decisions and outcomes. This might involve reading finance books, attending seminars, or following reputable financial experts online. For example, learning about tax-efficient investing strategies could potentially save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. 11. The Inner Peace Fund. Invest in spiritual and emotional health. Prioritizing your spiritual and emotional well-being can lead to greater life satisfaction and resilience. This could involve practices like meditation, therapy, or religious activities. For instance, regular meditation has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and even potentially lower healthcare costs over time. 12. The Charisma Capital. Develop your social skills. Investing in your social skills can open doors in both your personal and professional life. This might involve public speaking courses, networking events, or simply practicing active listening. For example, improving your communication skills could lead to better job opportunities, stronger relationships, and increased overall confidence. 13. The Sanctuary Builder. Create a comfortable home environment. Investing in your living space can significantly improve your daily quality of life. This could involve upgrading your furniture, organizing your space efficiently, or creating a relaxing atmosphere. A comfortable home environment can reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and even boost productivity if you work from home. 14. The Memory Bank. Document your life journey. Investing time in documenting your life through photos, videos, or journaling can provide invaluable memories and insights in the future. For example, keeping a record of your early career struggles could serve as motivation during tough times or even become valuable content if you become successful in your field. 15. The Self-Acceptance Fund. Invest in personal growth and self-understanding. Investing in therapy, self-reflection, or personal development courses can lead to greater self-acceptance and life satisfaction. This might involve exploring your values, understanding your emotions, or working through past traumas. For instance, overcoming social anxiety through therapy could open up new opportunities in both your personal and professional life. If you're intrigued by the idea of making smart investments today for a brighter tomorrow, keep watching our previous videos. We tackle more ways to achieve financial freedom and personal fulfillment, and you might be surprised by the unconventional strategies we reveal. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. Start investing in your future today.